Hi, this is Classic Techart. Welcome to another video. So I'm gonna here today, as you can see, the MS Word. So whenever you're working to the MS Word, you must need to know about it. These hidden tips and the tricks. What I am today show you. So no matter to, I just you know how to can do this one. I'm gonna send it here. So first of all, what should I do? These tips is very important for everyone MS Word lovers. So right here, sometimes like that, I'm showing you like that. First of all, I need to know this right here, the name and ID number and email address like that. So as you can see, just I'm sure you that like that. You need it sometimes like that. Yeah, dot or the period sign. It is like that, but it's taking time. Like that, you see how I'm just typing this one. Just see. Yes, I'm typing like that. You see? I'm typing like that. This dot sign or the period sign. And downside, I need again need to follow like that. You see? I need it like that. But this is there is another very easy way, or just one click. It will be more if you wanted to five or if you wanted to like that here or here like that this amount, so you can do this one like that just by clicking one side. So I'm here just to fill in all the things like that. I need now delete all the things and clear all the things, and I will show you. First of all, I need to now click and select all the things and go to the paragraph. You see, I got go to the paragraph and just go to the tab, and how much do you need? Just tap stop position here. How much do you need it to stop? I think I just 3.5. I need it like that, or you can middle 2 or 3. Whatever letter you need it. Just I think I needed 2. Okay, now just okay here, and just you press the tab button. You see? Oh my god, how is hidden tips? Again, I need to just press the tab. Oh my god, how is happen? Again, I need to just press the tab. You see? How is done magically so, dear friends? And whenever you need a not, whenever you needed to delete all the things or this kind of symbol or dot, just want to click here. But you need to just backspace here. Just want to click backspace. Yes, you see? Yes, you see? Yes. Again, just tap button press. Yes. Is it coming? Yes. Is it coming? Yes. So, as you can see, how this are magic. This is the magic. If you need not this all the delete, and you need to go to the again, go to the where, just if you need not delete all the things, so you need your default system. So you should go to the again paragraph and go to the tab and clear mode all the things and okay. You see, if you right now just if you tap press the tab, it will not be work. So these are all dear guys or dear friends. So follow me and subscribe me. Thanks for watching.